Hi, this is Shiva residing at Bangalore currently. So, we are using the products of standard cold pressed oil for more than 3 plus years. So, actually, we came across these products through the internet while we were looking to switch to a cold pressed oil. So, basically, we tried a few products which we got locally, but we were not much convinced. So then we went with standard cold pressed oil, and it is more than 3 plus years we are using it. So our frequently ordered products are groundnut oil, sesame oil, and coconut oil. So actually, the or the oils from the standard cold pressed oil are very unique compared to the others in the market. So personally, we experienced that we feel much lighter while we consume the even the fried items with this particular oil. And another special thing is the aroma of the oil is very natural. It You will not feel it as much artificial. So it created a lot of difference in us while we started taking this particular oils and the products from the standard cold press oil. And another thing is the packaging of the item is too good. So far we never faced any leakage or the damage, and they provide on time shipment to even now we are at Bangalore. So even during the COVID times, the shipment was very on time, and we would also love to refer these products to our friends. Thank you.